Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take vitamin D syrup. It's a simple and effective way to ensure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. We'll cover the best practices for administration, ensuring you get the most benefit from your supplement. Remember, proper dosage is key for optimal health, so pay close attention to the instructions. Let's make sure you're taking your vitamin D syrup correctly and safely every time. Getting the right dose is crucial for vitamin D syrup. Your healthcare provider will specify the exact amount, usually in milliliters, based on your individual needs. Use the measuring device that comes with the syrup to ensure accuracy. Taking it consistently, perhaps with a meal or at a specific time each day, can help you remember and maintain steady levels. Always read the product label for any specific instructions regarding food intake. To get the most out of your vitamin D syrup, consider a few tips for better absorption. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, so taking it with a meal containing some healthy fats can enhance its uptake by your body. Always give the bottle a gentle shake before each use to ensure the active ingredients are evenly distributed. Proper storage is also important. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct heat or sunlight, to maintain its potency. Finally, a few important reminders about your vitamin D syrup. Never take more than your prescribed dose, as excessive vitamin D can be harmful. If you notice any unexpected side effects or have concerns, always reach out to your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Your health is paramount, so listen to your body. Also, for those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help keep your diet on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.